Hi everybody, it's Lisa again from JoyfullyArt. Today's going to be kind of a short video. We're getting ready to leave to go camping for the 4th of July, so I wanted to get one in before we left for the week. Today I'm going to do another flip and drag. I'm going to only use 3 colors, phthalo blue, turquoise, and silver. They're paints I had left over from the wave that I did in a previous video. So I'm going to put down some white to get my canvas colored. And I forgot my other glove, excuse me. That was kind of bad, wasn't it? Oh well. Okay. Now I'm ready. So I kind of want to smooth this out. Get a good white coat going so the paint can flow better. All over. Give it a minute to settle once I get it all going here. That looks good. The sides. I can worry about the sides after. You want to make sure that they're always covered. Oh gosh. My rag. Okay. I'm going to do a dirty pour. I'm going to mix my colors in this cup. A little fly or a spider in there. There's some phthalo blue. Have some silver. This is the turquoise. I don't know if I want any white or black. I'm not sure. I hope I'm in camera doing this. I never even thought about that. I'm not too swift on doing this yet. I'm still practicing. I think that's enough. Set these back here, out of the way for a minute. There we go. Let's see. Where do I want to start? Start right here. Just give it a second to flow down the cup and get it all out. Looks like I got some out anyway. All my paints are mixed with floetrol, and that'll be in the description down below. Also the color of paints that I used and the ratio and everything. So, okay, let's see if we can get the suction off here. Wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Give it a little torch. I really like all of it. I don't want to get rid of any of it. That's an awful lot of paint on there. I'm going to have to tip it a little bit to get off some of the paint. If it's too much paint, then it's not going to dry correctly. You might have a chance of it cracking. I really don't want to do that. To this corner, try at least. I want to bring it back. to the center as most that we can. I lost all that nice silver in this big blue spot. What do I have left? Let's make a little bit more. More silver. I really like this silver color. Okay, let's try it again. Get some color where this big blue blotch is. I really want some negative space on here, so I want to keep it. Touch up some places where I can still see canvas. Oh, I think that's really pretty. Let's see. That is really pretty. Some white over here on this corner. I think that's really good. Wipe my hands and give it one more torch, and that ought to be it. Okay, that's it for this one. This is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Please subscribe and hit the little bell and you'll be notified when I put a new video up. And thumbs up, I would love it. So everybody have a great 4th of July and be careful. See you later.